welcome back to Alpha Mods. So today I'm basically out here at Madness Auto Works. I had a little bit of an unexpected problem happen. I went to a doctor's appointment and my car was losing power. I was like, oh my god, what's going on with it? So the first thing that I thought about was, okay, I did an entire video on the relays and which relay to replace if you're kind of feeling slow or sluggish and kind of having the symptom of lack of power. And it basically, when I describe that, it means like if you're in dynamic, it feels like you're in A mode or efficiency mode, like really lack of power. Anyways, I did a kind of brief talk around of how to fix the problem, but in this video I'm actually going to show you how to do it instead of just talk about it. So I'm also going to show you the temporary solution and then the fix, which is I had to go to the dealer. They have the new updated part right here. New updated part ends in 6094AA. So we're going to be installing that instead of the old ones that keep on breaking because they just won't stop breaking. And again, I apologize, I don't have my mic with me today, so it's going to the quality won't be as good, but still I'm going to make the video. Again, we're out here at Madness. The first thing you're going to want to do is turn your wheel to the side like that. I want to come over to your trunk. I always suggest disconnecting the battery, just because it's a good idea. This car knows when you're messing with its electronics. And what we're going to need is a trim tool and a T25. The first thing you're going to do is go ahead and remove these three, 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to get this little panel out. And as far as this panel goes, I want to just get up in there like this, kind of turn it. Once it's like that, you should be able to pop those on out of there, like so. Then we'll be doing the top one. Alright, so once we got that, should be able to pull this. Somebody's going crazy over there. And you can start from right here. That way you can get your hand in there. Alright, so now that you get to this point, what you're going to want to do here is this middle bundle right here. You're going to wiggle it kind of back or pinch at this little front part right here. And it'll slip out. Just like that. You'll have this box. And then you're going to pull on each side to pop off the cover. Now the fuse we're going to be replacing is the one closest to the little mini fuse. So this one right here is what's going to help you with your sluggish acceleration. And we're just going to simply take this out, swap out the new one, and then reinstall. Alright, so once you replace that, snap your cap back in. You'll hear it snap. Go underneath. Once again, find where this little piece comes out up here. And you're good. Snap that baby back in there and make sure that it's secure and that you're happy with that. And then you can start putting all of this back in. I'm not going to be able to do it with one hand. Oh, I take it back. I can. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and put everything back together. And that's how you solve your sluggish acceleration problem. And from what I can tell from the old one to the new one, there's not much difference at all. It's just an updated part number. Maybe the internals are more reliable, who knows. But put your screws back in and the problem should be solved. Alright everybody, so today we're out here at Madness and I'm out here with the quad father himself. Made the trip. If you want to just tell us a little bit about your beautiful Giulia.
So it's 2018. It's a full boat on a E85 from Ideal. we're gonna guess it makes somewhere around 585 to the wheels. Getting ready to throw on a water meth kit here in the next couple weeks after we get moved to Jacksonville. And I mean, really, it's just a fun horsepower car.
Now this thing's something of a really wonderful cosmetic build as well. You can see you got a lot of work done. A lot of different parts.
There's a lot of carbon.
And that's some nice quality stuff too, because you also have Koshi mixed in with a couple of other various pieces of OEM, I'm guessing,
Yes.
for that?
Yeah.
The side skirts. And I came all the way out here at Madness to see this car because it's one of a kind, number one. And number two, it's one of the only quads that I would make a drive to come and see. So he just got this diffuser, and I mean, what do you think about it?
I mean, it looks pretty awesome. Definitely better than factory, I think.
I mean, these cars look really good sitting next to each other. Mine just needs a little bit of a lowering there. Oh, and I definitely like what you did with the badge here. Got that nice blacked out look.
Yeah, and I changed even the Giulia is carbon.
Yeah, that's clean. It reminds me of the GTA AM
Right.
version of it that they had. But that stance, man, something you can't beat.
Yeah, it's got 305s in the rear.
It's a meaty tire.
Yeah, it definitely is.
It's one thing talking about it, and then you see it, and it's just like, it's got so much more presence to it, you know? It's nice though. Yeah, thanks for giving me a tour of the car.
For sure, man.
And I'm just really happy that I'm able to get some video of both the cars out here, especially in front of this Madness sign. So that looks nice. Just while I'm out here, I'm gonna do a little comparison to the aftermarket diffuser I have versus the OEM one. Such a significant difference, and it's gonna be really nice to be able to put the factory one on. Thanks to Austin, I'm able to do this, so I'll get that bumper and then get it installed soon enough. This is really exciting. So today's a really nice day outside, and decided to show off some of the updates that I've done to the car. Yeah, it is hot today, Bubba. We've got the Brembos that are now like literally painted in Ferrari yellow via the paint match code. Had somebody doing professionally. So it's really nice to see that. We've got this beautiful little pinstripe. Now he's trying to spray me with water, but really like how everything's coming out here. Car's got a great look to it with GTA M spoiler and all the carbon. Carbon looks really good on the inside there. Car's still a little bit dirty, but overall, I think I did a fantastic job on getting the car aesthetically the way that I want it. Very happy with that.